like Laramie, Wyoming. This is Evanston, Wyoming. It's like Walmart, it's like a truck stop. Here where all the trucks have to take a break or have to lay over when there is wind or snow. Wyoming is a disastrous state. So in the beginning of the Wyoming, when you enter Wyoming from I-80 from Utah, here where trucks find a nice place to stop, there is Walmart, there is Pilot, there is Flying J here in the almost 3 mile distance. But sometimes you cannot find a spot at Flying J or Pilot. So your best option will be to come to Walmart, exit 5 on I-80 in Wyoming. That is from this side from the I-80. On the other side at Laramie, you have exit 16 or Walmart, and there are 4 stops, truck stops in Laramie. There is Petro or TA, Pilot and Loves, and there are other, I think, I forgot the name, I think Texaco or something like that. If you can get to Laramie, of course, during the snow. Laramie is a disastrous city. The elevation is high, it's very windy. But here in Evanston, sometimes you have thousands and thousands of trucks on the highway in winter. We now in the end of April. You can still have another storm or 2 in May. Anytime here the weather can change. Look at the trucks. How many trucks you have? Almost 2 lines of trucks. And a few minutes ago, there were another 4 trucks in the parking lot.